Master words for TOEIC, CELPIP, and IELTS in 2 minutes a day.
Assemble. Verb. Assembled. Assembling. Assembles. Assembly. Assembler. Reassemble. Disassemble. Disassembled. Disassembling. To gather or put things together in one place. To bring people or things together for a purpose. For example, assembling a team or furniture. To meet as a group. For example, people assembling for an event. The students will assemble in the gym for the morning assembly. She assembled all the parts to build her new bookshelf. The workers are assembling the car on the factory floor. Our school's science fair assembly is happening next week. The team needs to reassemble after lunch to finish the project. He reassembled the toy after taking it apart. The mechanic is reassembling the engine after repairs. It's easier to disassemble furniture than to put it back together. She disassembled the old clock to clean it. The robot was disassembling itself for storage. The factory pre-assembled some parts before shipping. The shelves arrived pre-assembled, so no tools were needed. Workers were pre-assembling sections of the bridge off-site. Key tips for test takers, TOEIC, IELTS, and CELPIP. 1. Usage and importance. Assemble is commonly tested in workplace, academic, and technical context. For example, instructions, meetings, manufacturing. Assembly, noun, frequently appears in reading passages about events or machinery. Disassemble versus reassemble is a common pair in listening or reading questions. For example, the device must be disassembled before cleaning and then reassembled correctly. 2. Likely question types, synonym selection. Assemble versus gather versus construct. Context determines the best fit. Analogies. Assemble is to disassemble is build to demolish. Opposites. Sentence completion. After the protest, the crowd slowly began to blank. Answer disperse versus assemble is a trick question. 3. Common confusables. Assemble, bring together versus resemble, look like. Assembly, a gathering versus assimilation, absorbing information or culture. 4. Helpful idioms or phrases. Assemble the pieces. Solve a problem step by step. Call to assembly. Formal gathering, often in schools or military. Test strategy. Listen for prefixes re, dis, pre in audio clips. They often signal the correct answer in derivatives-based questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you tomorrow.